fellow graduates. Sairam to you all. For those who don't know me, I'm Subhash Kumar, a proud student of Satya Sai Shiksha Sadan. It's both an honor and a privilege to be here today and share a few words with you on the behalf of the graduating class 2082 and 2083. Standing here feels kind of strange because for many years we students spend our time for many years we students spend our time wondering when the school will actually end, and now today is actually has. We are quite not sure whether to celebrate or worry about the things and the consequences that are going to come in the future. I would like to ask all the teachers here. They say that education is the key to success, isn't it? Isn't it? So if education is the key to success, in the past 12, 13 years, we have collected a quite large keychains. The main challenge coming for us is to use which key for which door. We have collected many keys of education, but the challenging part is which key is used for which door. Sorry. Looking back, our school has taught us as more than what was written in actual textbook. We learned that failure is not always the opposite of success, but it is the part of our process. We learned that confidence cannot be downloaded overnight before an exam, and that no amount of staring at a question paper can magically make the answer appear in the seat. Talking about Satya Sai, what had Satya Sai provided me? Satya Sai provided us with a peaceful, positive and deeply character-building environment that taught us values just as much as it taught us formulas. Speaking of the formulas, I want to take a moment to thank our respected ma'am, Sunita ma'am. Can we have a round of applause for her? For the newcomers, for those who think chemistry is just about memorizing the periodic table and remembering the equation, it is because you haven't been in the class that has been taught by Sunita ma'am. Ma'am, you didn't just teach us chemistry, you made us understand the whole concept of the chemistry. I would like to thank Sunita ma'am for this. Not just her, and all the teachers present here and who taught us in the class. I would like to take a moment to thank them too. Thank you so much for believing us, and thank you so much for making us believe what we can do. I also want to take a moment and extend our deepest gratitude to our principal sir and principal ma'am. Thank you for your vision and for cultivating a nurturing environment where we could grow. And thank you for your vision for cultivating nurturing environment where we could grow not just as students but as a good human beings. As we stand on the brink of future, ready to step out into the coming world, in the new world, I realize that Satya Sai Shiksha Sadan hasn't just given us academic knowledge, it has given us a foundation for life. And we know that our scriptures remind us, Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayam yati patratam. Vidya dadati vinayam, vidya yati patratam. Which means that true education brings humility, and humility makes us worthy of success. forward in the world with confidence. Let us carry this humility with us. To my fellow graduates, and congratulations for this milestone. Thank you all for your time and attention. Wishing you a very bright future. Sairam.
Thank you, brother.
Nissan, have you ever heard about God?